Ever feel overwhelmed by all the food safety regulations in Canada and the US? Don't worry, you're not alone. Let's navigate these regulatory waters together and ensure business is fully compliant. Running a food business means adhering to a maze of regulations, but today, we'll make it simpler for you. We'll go over the key regulatory bodies and what they require so you can run your successful food business. In Canada, the first place to look is the Canadian Food Inspection Agency, or CFIA. They oversee the food safety, labeling, and quality standards. Make sure your foods comply with the Safe Food for Canadians regulations for a start. The CFIA also require preventative control plans that outline how you identify and manage risks, maintain traceability of food products, and keep accurate records. Don't forget about bilingual labeling requirements too. Let's talk about the US. The FDA and USDA are your main regulatory bodies. The FDA oversees most of the food supply, while the USDA handles meat, poultry, and egg products. Key regulations include the FSMA, Food Safety Modernization Act, which emphasizes preventing contamination rather than reacting to it. Similarly to Canada, having a written food safety plan is mandatory. This plan includes hazard analysis, risk-based preventative controls, and supply chain programs. Regular compliance with good manufacturing practices, GMPs, is also a must. Now, let's talk customer requests. Meeting customer demand doesn't just stop at delivering quality, it also means understanding and adhering to additional criteria they may require, such as third-party certifications like SQF or BRCGS. To sum it up, knowing your regulatory obligations helps you stay compliant and gives your customers confidence in your products, but you don't have to tackle this alone. So, don't wait until it's too late. Protect your business, your customers, and your reputation by staying on top of these regulatory obligations. Need help navigating regulatory requirements? Want to ensure your compliance? Book a strategy call with us or reach out directly at 1-236-513-2488. Subscribe to my channel for more expert guidance on food safety. Until next time, I'm Felicia Liu, guiding you towards safer, compliant food operations.